Getting ready for the test and tune this weekend at Warwick Dragway. First official on track test and tune. First official meet. Oh, we had the V-dubs a month or so ago, and this is our first official meeting for normal race cars and bikes, and we're getting into it. Thursday, we've had some pretty bad bushfires around here, but we're still going ahead 100%. Hopefully on Saturday, if everything plays the game. Just started yesterday. We're just doing a bit of track prep, getting in, starting to widen the groove. We only had to have a narrow groove for V-dubs, so we're just starting to widen the groove up. Started to get a bit of a base layer down today, and Thursday, and then get into it Saturday afternoon test and tune. What do you reckon, Fritter Dog?
Oh, it's gonna be good. Can't wait to see everybody.
Yeah, we got over 100 races coming, so pretty crazy for the first test and tune. I think, yeah, we're 110, something like that, so good turnout of cars, good quality cars too, and we got everything from race cars to race bikes, street cars, and junior bikes and junior dragsters, so the young guns. So yeah, we got a bit of everything, everything from radial, the slicks, the blown, to turbo. So hopefully it's a good weekend, and yeah. This 8th mile racing this weekend. Quarter mile starts up next year. Oh, look at our rig. She's ready. She's ready to spray some glue down. Woo! Get on there, you filthy animal. The bunger's driving, so I would put the harness on, bud.
Safety first, man. Safety.
Oh! Let's roll. Just getting a bit of glue down, put a little bit of resin down, just building our surface here. Check this bad boy out. Been going for ages. Saucy. Ready to get the big girl out, do some polishing out here. Got the Fritter, aka the Critter 2000, Squirrel, whatever you want to call him. He's on the static drag, giving her a nice drag up, widening this groove up. Check her out, she's starting to look good. Check old Fritter out here. They're trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty. Old Critter's riding dirty. You! This is my favourite part. This is the barrier we made here for if we're going to do flashlight starts or arm drops or that, future no prep events. Made it so you can get out here and be nice and safe, bring the cars in. Yep. Oh, hot damn.
And that one takes a minute.
Let's go. Letting it hang out here. Warwick Dragway. On the rotator. Finished up the night shift last night. He got the track dry. Spent a fair bit of time now. I'm out here doing the quick water shift. Let's go! Check it out. Saturday we had a bit of rain last night. I think we had about 15 mil. We were lucky we got a bit of a base down Wednesday, Thursday. And yeah, Critter stayed up. He was out here till 9 o'clock last night, Friday night. Just trying to get the water off the track and cleaning up. And just had the rotator out, just giving it a bit of a whirl this morning. Just getting it ready now for a clean and a spray and a bit more rubbing. Getting ready for a 2 o'clock start. It's currently 7 AM. Place is looking good. That water, that rain done well. It's green, the staging lane's up, and it's looking good. So, righto. So yeah, it should be an awesome day's racing. We'll try and bring you some footage as we go. Not racing the Trana today like planned. It's sitting there nearly ready to go, but we thought we better put some time in and get this all ready. You know, racing actually doesn't even worry me that much. I'd rather see everyone come down and have fun and go down the track and safe as possible, and hopefully we can have a great day. So probably will get the wagon out for a skid tonight, but yeah, it's going to be sweet. Don't be under pressure, mate, you're on film. Chew on one of them rat sack fucking things.
Chewing one?
Chew on one, yeah. Woo! Nice and clean, baby. Taking the old girl out for a little bit of PSR testing for the no prep coming up in a couple of weeks. The 255s. We'll go send it and see how we go. 141. Luke Kessel, Junkyard Bonaro. Nitrous 468. We raced in the grill. Wheels up. 611. Little squirrel, no prep car. He'll be doing Jungabunga no prep the end of the month. Angry bee. You! Turbo street car versus big block sportsman car. Shane Baker's a twin turbo Holden motor based on a 308. Went 790 the other day in Victoria, and he's looking at, wants to start improving on his 8 mile times. He's chasing a low 5 here. Five 1 6.